Welcome to this luxurious, custom-built home, ideally situated in a fantastic Happy Valley neighborhood. It's located on a large corner lot, and it's close to Happy Valley schools, parking, restaurants, hiking trails, and much more. A grand vaulted entry welcomes you to this home loaded with custom upgrades throughout. It's thoughtfully designed where no detail is overlooked, from the crown molding and high ceilings to custom tile. The gourmet kitchen features heated tile flooring, slab granite counters, high-end stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar seating, and a pantry. You'll find beautiful built-ins in the main floor office. Enjoy the spacious master suite with coved windows, a lighted coffer ceiling, beautiful valley views, and a luxurious ensuite bath. This home of nearly 4,000 square feet has plenty of space and includes a built-in vacuum system. The lower level is ready for entertaining with heated floors, a cozy gas fireplace, and a wet bar. And you can unwind in the sauna. The oversized 3-car garage has epoxy flooring and extra storage. Host get-togethers on the brand-new expansive Trex deck in your private backyard with an in-ground sprinkler system and established landscaping. Other features include a high-efficiency dual-zone furnace and AC. A gorgeous custom home in a great neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Kyle Ball with Premier Property Group at 503-750-1420.